If your stress level is higher than Mount Everest, it's time to chill, buddy. We've got 3 simple ways to manage stress like a pro. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, avoid it. No, we're not talking about dodging your chores or that paperwork. We're talking about steering clear of toxic people and situations. If something or someone constantly ticks you off, it's time to hit the eject button. Just remember, don't use this as an excuse to run away from all discomfort. Next, deal with discomfort. Not all discomfort is bad. Sometimes we have to learn to live with it. Think of it like a mosquito bite. If you keep scratching it, it'll just get worse. So take a deep breath and don't give it more thought than it deserves. Lastly, become undisturbed. This is like reaching Zen master level. Choose what you react to. Not everything deserves your energy. Imagine your mind as prime real estate. Don't let every little thing take up residence, rent-free. So there you have it. Avoid, deal, and become undisturbed. Practice these, and you'll be stress managing like a pro in no time. Stay cool, stay calm, and keep smiling. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more awesome Loric philosophy tips.